Hello, this is a quick tutorial on how to use the Revolve function within Fusion 360. So obviously here we have the Fusion 360 model space, and the Revolve function obviously fundamentally sits within the Create tab on the solid works bar within the workspace of the design. So how do we create a Revolve? Well, again, Revolve, we need a sketch or a profile to basically wrap around an axis to revolve our shape from a 2D based profile into a 3D based object. So this is the product we're going to make. We're going to make a stud which would fit inside a T-nut, similar to this picture here. However, this is an M8 40 length. We're actually going to do an M12 times 1.75, so coarse M12 by 70mm long. So obviously looking at our drawing, just to do a reminder that again this is the top of our shape. This would then be the front, and obviously then you would have then the right hand side, and obviously that side would then be the left hand side. So you're going to have two views to really model, which is the top and the front. So in Fusion, I'm literally going to do exactly what on my model is. I need to draw a sketch. I'm going to get the sketch. I'm going to select the front face, which will plane round, pan just to get my datum to the left hand edge. And quite frankly, all I'm going to do is I need to half the revolve to build my axis. So I'm going to draw my line, which is 70 tall. Another line using the L hotkey command. Obviously it's 12mm diameter, so 6mm radius. Just going to zoom in to make this nice and big now so I can see clearly what's going on. This is dropping down 15mm. So then we have the inner as 10, so it's going to drop this down 1mm. And this comes down another 10. Back out to 1 again, just to come back out to the 12mm. The last one's going to be 45 in depth. Last one line to close it off. Obviously, because it populates its own lines, it gets a bit claustrified, so you can always sort of move stuff around and make it a bit more clear what's going on. Just going to go to my dimensions and just obviously make sure that is definitely 5mm, which is correct. So just do a overview dimensions and make it clear. 45, that looks all fine now. So I can either finish my sketch or straight into solid, hit the revolve tab, and it'll pick up my profile, which it already has done. Set my axis to revolve around, like so. Obviously got type or full if you're going to do revolve on certain angles. And if you've got a new body in this one, tick to accept. And that's my overall shape. And obviously this is an M12 throughout, so I can go to create section, thread. So I'm going to select my profile for the bottom one, so it's picked up its 12mm. I can choose 175, 0.5, 1.5, 1.25, 1.75 and 0.5 depending on how well I want my thread. So I'm going to need 1.75, I need a coarse thread. 6G is fine, right hand direction. Now obviously the idea would be that then you could select the other one as well, so you get both faces in one feature. So if you hold down the control to select the other face. So I took that one off. So that's now my thread now in my design tree. The last one I'm going to do, I'm just going to use a chamfer on the edge, on the bottom edge. The two edges, you do a nice 1mm chamfer just to key off the edges, just so it's nice and equal distance. So this is going to be 45 degrees. I could do a blend or a mitre actually, but I'm going to choose chamfer 45 degrees. So there is my stud. As you see, obviously I've already saved it. Just want to open up the profile, so I'm just going to resave. Put model updated. That's my stud complete. So that's just a simple overview on how you use the revolve function, how we use the external thread function, which is in here, and obviously then we have the how to use the chamfer tool, which is in the modify. Okay, thanks for listening. Stay tuned for the next video on my how-to series. Thanks for watching.